Hi, my name is Dr. Natalie Lopez. So for this stretch of the week, we're going to be focusing on our squat variation. So the squat variation requires either a really secure doorknob, banister, or anything railing, anything that's going to really secure your body. You want to be able to put trust into it so we can take some pressure off the low back and the hips. So I find this as a really great variation because some of my patients coming from low back injuries, hip injuries, we need to get into those positions, but we're not quite ready to load up our hips and low back quite yet. And that's where offloading it with our arms can be really helpful. I also find this a really good position for some of my pregnant patients because they're in this arch into their back, having this lordosis that's a little more emphasized during pregnancy. And I find if we can tuck in, that's a nice way to kind of offload and take some pressure off. So to start that up, key thing with this is you actually have to have a secure doorknob or whatever secure surface. You really want to be able to trust your body. If you do this with your arms bent, it's going to just feel like you're just doing squats. But if you have your arms really secure and you just let your arms kind of carry you as you shift your hips back, you can really get a nice stretch into the low back as you rise out. So this is a nice way to kind of get some movement in through the low back, but also stretching out through the hips too, especially the back of the hips. So we're going to do about 8 of these. I find that's a really good rep range, around 2 sets to kind of integrate that and really just trusting it so that when your arms are straight, you're shifting back and you're getting a nice stretch in through your arms as well as getting through the back of your hips too. Give that a shot and see how it goes.